latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The pandemic has paved way for many innovations in the country. It is not just the state governments which are relying on technology to combat COVID-19. Even private parties have started to develop new devices that could help fight the novel coronavirus. Though CDC has ruled out that the virus can spread from a contaminated surface, people continue to disinfect things around them due to fear of infection. A month ago, CDC said that the virus doesn't spread easily from touching surfaces or objects. However, due to fear of the spread of virus, people are making conscious efforts not to touch surfaces. Ever since the pandemic started to wreak havoc in the country, people have been worrying about its spread through currency. The possible spread of coronavirus through currency notes has revived concerns around handling of cash during pandemic. Well, as of now, there is no conclusive scientific study that links the spread of the virus via contaminated currency notes. However, the WHO has advised taking measures to maintain proper hygiene post-handling of notes. Even the Reserve Bank of India has refrained from issuing any statement on avoiding the usage of paper currency. Still, there is a growing concern among people to touch currency notes during a crisis situation like this. To address this issue, Punjab University has come up with a device that sanitizes currency notes and checks in less than a minute. The device has been developed by Punjab University's sophisticated analytical instrumentation facility. Notes are disinfected through UV rays and thermal disinfection technology.
करेंसी सैनिटाइजेशन के लिए हमने जो यहाँ डिवाइस बनाया है वो थर्मल प्लस यूवी सैनिटाइजेशन वो दोनों से सैनिटाइज होके करेंसी हम वी कैन गेट रीड ऑफ द एनी काइंड ऑफ इन्फेक्शन एंड पैथोजन। पहले हम थर्मल स्कैनिंग करते हैं करेंसी की और वहाँ बड़ा क्लोज कांटेक्ट जो है 2 यूवी सी रेडिएशन सोर्स का उस नोट के साथ आता है और अंदर भी हमारे पास वो कोटिंग है इंस्ट्रूमेंट में, तो वहाँ बहुत इफ़ेक्टिव क्लोज कांटेक्ट में आ जाता है। तो हमने 15 से 20 सेकंड का टाइम पूरी करेंसी स्कैन होने के लिए।
This device could be very useful as currency notes change hands frequently. Currently, the device is being used only at PU's sophisticated analytical instrumentation facility. At a time of crisis like this, such kind of innovations will indeed come in handy. These innovative technologies will help the officials manage the COVID-19 situation better.